Okay, and please make me the host also. Okay, done? Okay.
Yes.
Take out page number 45. Page number 44, I gave you as homework question number 2. All of you have completed question number 2. You just have to do multiplication. Take one number from square and one number from the circle and take so many pairs so that the product is less than 1000, and then sum of the pairs where product is greater than 2000, right? These are the two questions that we have to do. Okay, who has not yet completed? Rashta, you have not done? Will you be able to do it till the next class, on Saturday's class? Okay, fine, because I would be giving you division questions also. So
Ma'am, do we have to send it also in Google Class?
please send it to
Which
Google
number?
Classroom so that I
Ma'am, you told to last class that you will give division sums in homework, but you didn't give, ma'am.
actually I didn't receive this multiplication also. Okay, so first solve the previous assignment, then only I can give you the next assignment. Today also I'll be giving you questions from the textbook only, division questions. Okay, so let us do
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am,
did you see mine?
you have not uploaded on Google Classroom, Yahya, have you? Yahya, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
See, those who complete their assignment, please upload it on Google Classroom so that I can check it. Okay? Okay. So next, page number 45, division questions are there. Simple division, 164 divided by 41. Those who do not have their textbook, please write down 164 divided by, okay, I'm writing it over here, 164.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to divide on page number 45.
Ma'am, page number
1A. 164 divided by 4. What is the
Ma'am,
answer?
I did the assignment of page number 44.
41.
41. Yes, 41 is the answer, divided by 4. 41 is the answer. Then next one.
Ma'am, where is it? Ma'am, where is it?
Question, page number 45. Write it in chat. Page number 45, number 1. Okay. All of you found this? Muhammadi, please solve it in the notebook. Omar, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, which question? Practice 1.
Practice 1, yes. Question number 1A, 160.
Ma'am, division.
Yes, division. 164.
41.
41. B part, 484 divided by 4. 484 divided by 4.
121.
Yes, who gave me the answer?
Muhammad
Saqib. Okay. Rashda, are you doing? What is the answer? 484 divided by 4.
Ma'am, I have just wrote the remainders.
Remainder is not there, na?
Of the question. Which
121.
Okay. Yes, 121. No remainder. Remainder is 0. You have to write those questions where remainder is there. In which question are you getting the remainder? See. Question number C part, 485 divided by 4.
Ma'am, don't ask. Can we please do?
Yeah, you do. Give me the quotient.
Ma'am, what is the question?
485 divided by 4.
Ma'am, the answer is 121 and remainder is 1. Ma'am,
Yes,
121.25.
Anyone else has found the answer? 485.
121.45. 121.25.
No, you have to give me quotient and remainder. We are not doing decimal.
Ma'am, he is using calculator, ma'am. That's why it is. showing like
Don't use calculator. You have to solve it. Okay.
Ma'am, the first one is for the quotient is 41 and the remainder is 0.
Correct, Aisha. Second one, do the second part. Only 3 parts we'll do in the class. Rest 3 parts will be your homework. Okay. Hamza, page number 45. Are you doing the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Divide. First one, did you complete?
Ma'am, third one, 121, remainder 1.
Yes, correct. Okay. D, E, and F.
Ma'am, the quotient is 121 and the remainder is 1.
Ma'am, can we do the rest 3 now?
Rest 3. Don't do it now.
Ma'am, D1 is the D1 is quotient 109 and remainder is 0.
Yes, correct. Wait, Muhammad Saqib. Now D, E, and F. Everyone mark question number D, E, and F as homework.
What we have to do, ma'am? Page number?
Page number 45. We are doing practice questions. Okay.
Ma'am, can you say the questions? I don't have the book.
Okay. Same question. 545 divided by 5, 546 divided by 5, and 338 divided by 3. These are the 3 parts that you have to do in homework. 545 divided by 5, 546 divided by 5, and 338 divided by 3. Okay. Now coming to question number 2.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ibrahim.
ma'am, I did not, you gave the homework, so I did not do the second and the third.
So do it in homework only, Ibrahim. It is a simple division. You can solve it. Okay. You have to find quotient and you have to find the remainder.
Ma'am, the question, the B1, the quotient is 121 and the remainder is 0.
Yes, very good, Aisha. That is correct. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 121. And D, E, and F. Everyone has noted down. D, E, and F is homework. Now coming to question number 2.
On page number
45.
45, there is no D, E, and F.
Question
There's D, E, and F. It is there down.
Question number 1, D, E, and F. Can you see?
Yes.
So those 3 are homework. First 3 we have already done in the class. Now everyone read.
Ma'am, I did all of them.
Good, Abdullah. Then you don't need to do in homework. Now question number 2. Just go through the question and understand what they are asking. What is the value of shaded bar each time? Write the calculations that you use. Now just observe the picture. You have a number of bars made and 655 is written. Can you see in the textbook A part? 655 is written. So this 655 is divided into how many parts? In the bottom, how many bars are there? Just check how many bars are there.
5.
So what is the shaded portion? Yes, Juveria?
Ma'am, it is Aisha.
5.
Ma'am, what is the answer to the third one? I don't know.
Okay, I'm doing question number 2A. Pay attention over here. How will you do? 655 is the whole. You can see this? Can you see this picture? This one? Everyone? This picture. Okay. The top box is it clear? My screen is clear to you all? So this, you can see top box is 655.
Yes.
655 is divided into how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can you see? So they have asked, what is the value of this one shaded box? Correct? The question is, what is the value of one shaded box? So what you will do? 655 divided by 5. That will be the value of one shaded box, because this whole portion is 655. When you divide it into 5 boxes, your one box will be 655 divided by 5. So what is the answer for first one?
131.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
131.
131? Yes, correct. Okay, I'm showing you once again in my textbook, in my notebook. Wait. I'm just showing you, 1, 2, 3. This is the question, correct? Can you see? This is the question. Now this whole is
Ma'am, so the one shaded part is 131.
correct. One shaded part is 131. Why? Because this whole part is 655 and you are dividing 655 into how many parts? Into 5 parts. Okay. So what is the value of one shaded part? It will be 655 divided by 5. Okay. Like suppose you have 10 apples. Okay. And I want to divide it into 5 equal parts. Okay. So how many apple will I get? I'm giving each 5 of you.
10.
No, I have 10 apples and I have to divide it into 5 people, equal parts.
10 divided by 5.
2.
By 5, what is that? 2. So everyone will get 2, 2, 2. Same here. 655, you need to divide into 5 parts. So what is the one part? What is the value of one part? So this will be equal to 655 divided by, how many boxes are there? 5. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, the second answer is 124, ma'am. The second answer is 124.
Yes, Abdullah. First one is divide 655 divided by 5. What is the answer you're getting, Aisha Kazi?
131.
131.
131. Okay. Now who will give me what will we do in second part, B part, 496. I will divide 496 by which number?
4.
Yes, Aisha, which number I will divide?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You just have to count the number of boxes at the bottom and divide it by this. So over 496 is written. How many boxes are there at the bottom? Check in your book. How many boxes are there below under 496? How many boxes are there, Aisha?
4.
4.
124 answer.
Yes. So divide 496 by 4.
Ma'am, divide, no?
Yes, divide. Anas, did you have 496? Yes, Anas, what is the answer?
And we have to do
Third one is 32.
Yeah, 32. Then you
Ma'am.
remainder also.
Reminder
Right?
2.
one we have to do
Yes.
in the notebook.
And the fourth one is 41.
Correct, Anas. Very good.
Ma'am, the third one is, the quotient is 32 and the remainder is 2.
Correct. So that means you are getting in decimal.
And
In
then
the
also-
third part, you will not get exact answer. Ibrahim, you're not doing? You just have to divide the top number by the number of blocks given at the bottom. Ibrahim, you're not audible.
Ma'am, do we have to do this in notebook?
Yes, do it in the notebook. Okay?
All the questions.
All the questions. So question number 2
Ma'am.
is clear to you all. How to
Ma'am, C answers 32 and remainder 2.
correct. 32 quotient and remainder 2. And what is the fourth answer? How many of you have completed 2 questions?
Ma'am, of 328 answer.
Ma'am, the second one is 1.
Ma'am, last one answer is 41.
Just give me one by one answer. Yes, Aisha, what
Ma'am,
was your
the
answer?
second one is, the quotient is 1, 2, 4 and 0, 0.
Correct. 1, 2, 4 is the quotient. Yes. Who else was giving me?
So what will be the answer for that? 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 is your answer. That is the value of the shaded box. One box.
So I have to write 1, 2, 4 in the
Shaded
3
box.
boxes.
Yeah, that is the value of shaded box. Yeah,
I
Juveria.
don't have to write in the yellow box.
1211 quotient.
Which
Ma'am,
question
I don't
you
have to write the number in the yellow block.
Yellow block answer is there. That is the value of yellow block. Yeah, Juveria.
Ma'am, the B1's answer is 1211.
No. B is 496. That one, na?
Yes.
That
The answer.
4.
124. It is 124. 124.
Ma'am, D answer 41. D answer 41.
Right answer like this, like I have written now, like this below the
Ma'am,
below.
I can't see.
Ma'am, the first answer is 131.
Yes.
The second, ma'am,
Ma'am, show me the
ma'am,
book.
let me say all.
The second one is
Ma'am, can you show me the book?
The third one is 32 and the remainder 2. And the fourth one is 41.
Ma'am, the first one is 131, the second one is 124, the third one is 32, and remainder is 2, and the fourth one is 41.
41.
Yes,
41.
these are the answers. Have you completed, Aisha Kazi? You don't have book?
No, ma'am, I am on the first one. I did the second one.
Okay, Batul, have you completed? Umar? How many you completed, Umar?
Ma'am, I'm in the B1. No, C B1.
Okay, do it fast. Okay, those who have completed question number 2, question
We
number
have to
3.
write the remainder also.
Yes, write the remainder also.
But ma'am, remainder always in the first and the second it is 0.
0, so no need to write. When remainder is 0, no need to write the remainder.
The second answer is 124.
Yes. So question, Juveria, did you get second answer correct?
No, ma'am, I checked it again and then I got. First I got wrong.
Yes, 496 divided by 4 you have.
Ma'am, the first one is 131, no?
Ma'am, the answer we have to write it in the blocks.
This is the value of one block. So shaded block ka answer is that. So just write under that block. Okay. Under the block you write the answer. Okay. Question number 3.
Ma'am, I didn't understand question number
Ma'am, can
3,
you
ma'am.
wait a minute?
I'm explaining question number 3.
Ma'am, can you wait a minute?
Okay, I'll explain again. You do the rest of the questions. I'm just explaining to Abdullah and those who have already done the 4 parts. Okay.
Ma'am, like this.
Ma'am, the C1 answer is 32 and
Yes, like that only, Juveria.
and C1 answer is 32 and the remainder 2.
Yes. See, Abdullah, what you have to do in question number 3, 379, you have to divide it in equal parts. So that is your wish in how many equal parts you want to divide. If you want to divide in a group of 3, you will divide by 3. You want to divide into group of 4, divide by 4. Okay?
9. I will divide it by 9.
Yeah, listen, what remainder can you find? So you will say that this remainder I am getting. Are any remainders the same? Why? So you're not getting the same remainder. Okay? Right? So 379 is divided into equal groups. So what equal groups you want to divide? You want to divide into groups of 10? Because it is not divisible by any number.
Ma'am, if I divide it into 9, so it will be, the answer will be 0, 0.
No, it's not divisible by 9. See? You'll get a remainder here. Just divide 379 by 9. You'll get one remainder. Okay. So Muhammad Saqib, 379 you have to divide in equal groups. So equal groups of 9, equal groups of 5, whatever number you find and see what remainder you are getting.
Okay, ma'am.
The D1 answer is 41.
Yes, correct, Ibrahim. Okay. Rest of you, Umar, have you completed 4 parts of question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you explain the 3 one again?
Okay, now everyone, just
Ma'am, I am dividing by 5.
how much you are getting remainder? Okay, listen everyone. Yeah.
Ma'am, I divided by 9, I got the remainder 0. Because see, ma'am, 9 into 3 is 37, and ma'am, 9 ones are 9.
9 3s are 27, huh?
Can you explain?
Sorry.
Can you explain?
9 4s are 36, okay?
Can you explain the
Okay, now listen everyone, pay attention.
Ma'am, I divided by 9 and I got remainder 1 and question 312.
Which question? 3?
Ma'am, third one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I
the
divided by
third
9.
one.
Ma'am, I divided 379 by 5, so I got the quotient 75 and the remainder 4.
Remainder 4. So that is the
Ma'am,
question.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
the third one.
Ma'am, answer 42.
Ma'am, the third
Ma'am,
one I got
answer 40.
quotient 32 and remainder 2.
Yes, okay. Yes, I didn't hear Aisha. Remainder is 2, na?
Yes.
Yes,
And
correct.
an answer is 32.
Correct. Yeah, Abdullah.
After
Ma'am, now what I have to do, I divided it by 9, so it came 42 and the remainder is 1.
Remainder is 1. Now divide it by, see, Muhammad Saqib divided it by 5. He got something else as remainder. So divide by 3, 4 numbers and check whether you are getting the remainder same or not. Like you
No, ma'am,
divide
not
by
same.
9, you will divide by 5, you will divide by 6, you will divide by 4 and see whether you are getting the remainder same or not. Okay. Yeah, listen everyone, rest of you, those who do not know how to do question number 3, I'm explaining it again. Okay, 379, everyone pay attention. Aisha Aga, where are you, Aisha Aga? Yeah, pay attention for question number 3. 379 is divided into equal groups. So what you have to do, you have to divide 379 by any 3, 4 numbers. It is your wish. You divide it by 3, you divide it by 5, you divide it by 7, and you divide it by 8. Any 3, 4 numbers you take and see whether you are getting same remainder or not.
Ma'am,
Okay?
which question you are explaining?
Question number 3. Is it clear to everyone? 379 divide by any 4 numbers. Like Abdullah divided by 9, he got 1 remainder. Muhammad Saqib divided by 5, he got something as remainder. So divide by 3, 4 as remainder. Now, so all of you divide 379 by at least 2 numbers and check whether you are getting same remainder.
370.
I did 379 divided by 3 and I got the quotient was 137 and the remainder was 1.
Okay. And divided by 8 also.
Then, ma'am, what is the last answer?
Ma'am,
379 divided by 4 is equal. The remainder
Ma'am,
is
what
3,
is the
and
last
the answer
answer?
is 94.
41. Yes, Anas, please repeat.
379 divided by 4. The
Yeah.
answer is 94 and the remainder is 3.
Remainder is 3. Okay, just check whether you are getting 3 remainder for any other quotient, any other divisor also. Rashida, you got 3 remainder for 3. Just check
Ma'am,
it
I'm
for
not
9.
understanding the third one.
ma'am,
Divide 379 by any number.
ma'am, can I say?
Any number?
Any
Ma'am,
number.
I divided 379 divided by 3 and I got quotient 126 and remainder.
4. Okay, Muhammadi,
So what we have to do now, ma'am?
which number did you divide it? You have to divide one more number and check whether you are getting same remainder or not. Are
Ma'am, can I tell?
the same? Just
Ma'am, can I say?
Abdullah divided by 3 also and see, are you getting the same remainder?
Yes, ma'am, I divided. Ma'am, I divided by 3 and I got the same remainder. Now I am dividing it by 5.
You divided by 3, you divided by 9. Okay. Then you divide by 6. Divide by 6 and see whether you are getting same remainder. Multiples of 3. Juveria, which number did you divide?
5.
5. What remainder did you get? 4 remainder. Just divide it by 10 and see whether you are getting the same remainder.
Okay.
Aisha Kazi, which number did you divide? You are muted, Aisha. Please unmute and answer.
I divided 379. No. Yeah, 379.
Ma'am, I got all same quotients, ma'am. Remainders.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got
What can
same
you say?
remainders. Ma'am, I got
What
same
can you
remainders.
say? When you divide by the multiples, say you are getting the same remainder, right? You divided by
Yes.
3, you divided by 6, you divided by 9, you got same remainders. If
Yes.
you divide by 5, if you divide by 10, check Zuveria, are you getting the same remainder when you divide by 10?
no.
No, you'll
Ma'am,
not.
what remainders can you find? So I should write one, ma'am.
No,
What
you
remains?
Can I say
say that
please,
for these
ma'am,
numbers, for
it says-
some numbers you are getting same remainder and for other numbers you are not getting the same remainder. Okay, for multiples
Ma'am,
of
I'm
3 you are
getting
getting the same remainder.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, when I divide by 10, it is 9, the remainder.
Ma'am, can I say?
So
Yes.
there, what remainders can you find?
Ma'am, when I divide by 3, 6 and 9, the remainder is 1.
Remainder is same, right? Please
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
I
got two.
divided.
Ma'am,
divide
Ma'am, I
by 12 also. Divide by 12 also.
Ma'am.
And see.
Ma'am, my quotient is 1, 1, 2, 6 and the remainder is 1.
Which number did you divide?
Ma'am, can I say after this?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have got
Divide by
ma'am.
6,
Ma'am,
Aisha.
I did 3.
Divide
I
by
have got
6
ma'am.
also.
I have got.
Can I say please, ma'am?
Divide by 6 also. Yeah,
Ma'am, I
Anand.
have got 379 divided by 6 is equal. The answer is 63 and the remainder is 1. 379 divided by 2. The answer is 189 and the remainder is 1.
Remainder is also 1.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when I divide by 12, the remainder
12,
is 7.
the remainder is 7.
Remainder is 7. So that means it is not clear that remainder will be same or not. So you can write that yes, some of the
Remainder is
remainders
same.
are same and some are not equal. Okay. This B part answer, just write down that some remainders are same and some are not same. B part.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt.
Yes, Zaveria.
Ma'am,
Can I
the
say?
D question, ma'am, the D question, 328 will divide
By?
it with the
By 8.
by 8.
Yes.
Okay.
Because 8 number of blocks are there na, at the bottom. So you'll divide by 8. Okay.
Now, what is
Now
the
coming to
What can I say now?
question
now,
number
see,
3?
all of
Ma'am,
you
ma'am.
can complete this. We have already done in the class. So
Question
those
number
who have
3.
yet not completed, please complete this exercise. Yeah.
Ma'am, I did. Ma'am, 379 divided by 3 and 379 divided. I got
The quotient is 63 and the remainder is 1.
Ma'am,
Remainder is 1. Okay, fine. So
Ma'am.
write down that you're
Ma'am,
not
ma'am.
getting same remainders every time. Yes, Ibrahim.
ma'am, now let me
I
say.
divided by 3 and I divided by 7. The both remainders came 1.
You're getting both same remainders, but still you will write that for all division, you are not getting the same remainders. Okay? It depends on the divisor.
So I have to do more.
Okay, I'm coming to now. We'll share screen and we'll come to further questions now. Complete this
Ma'am,
exercise.
can I say?
Yes, Ibrahim, tell me.
Ma'am, I did 379 divided by 3 and 379 divided by 6. I got same remainder.
Okay, but by 12, if you divide, you will not get the same remainder. Okay. Now this
Ma'am,
is
what-
a puzzle for you.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am. What we?
Down.
Ma'am, what we have to write for B?
Ma'am, what
For
you have
B,
to
you
write
have to
down?
write that you don't get same remainders every time.
Ma'am, what we have to write down in B?
Ma'am, when I multiplied by 10, it came 9.
Which number you're dividing, na?
Ma'am,
You have to divide.
10.
Ma'am, can you tell it again?
ma'am, what do we
Okay.
have to write for B?
You have to write that you don't get the same remainders. That's all. No, we don't get the same remainders because divisor is different. Why? Because,
Write that under the B.
yes.
4, 5.
Ma'am, 9, 4, and 2.
Ma'am, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. 4, 5,
4, 5, 6.
9, 4, 2.
5, 6. I gave you
915, 915,
9,
915.
4, 2.
4, 5,
correct,
6.
9,
4,
1,
5,
5.
6.
What you have to do in this question, you have to pick 3 cards so that it add up to 15.
4,
Okay.
5,
9,
6.
4, 2. 9,
4, 5, 6.
5, 3, 7, 5, 3.
Okay, one by
5,
one,
6.
give me the answer. One by one. Muhammad
4,
Saqib.
5.
9, 4, 2.
9, 4, 2. Okay.
Ma'am, can you use the numbers again?
Batul?
Ma'am, 762.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can the numbers
762.
again?
Batul,
4,
I'm
5,
asking
6.
Batul. I'm asking Batul.
762.
Ma'am,
762. Ma'am, 762.
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Ma'am, 762.
Ma'am, can
You have to be quiet. I was asking Batul na. So let her answer. Yes, Batul.
so
give
can
me
we use, ma'am,
7
can we
plus
use
5
the numbers again?
7, 4 and
7, 5, 3.
Ma'am, can you mute?
5, 3. Yes, correct. Who else?
9, 5, 1.
4, 5,
Ma'am,
6.
can we use the numbers again?
4, 5, 6.
You have to be quiet. Then only I'll show the numbers. One
Ma'am,
by
can
one,
we
I
use
want
the
to-
numbers again and again?
No, you
Ma'am,
can't.
762. 762.
Okay, 762 is correct.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to pick 3 numbers which adds up to 15.
951, ma'am. 951.
951 is correct. Yes.
4, 5, 6.
Yes, Anas.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. Okay. Yes, correct. 4, 5, and 6. What else?
Ma'am, 5, 7, and 3.
5, 7.
861.
Yes,
861.
Ma'am,
7
5,
and
7,
8.
and 3.
Ma'am, 861.
861 is correct.
Ma'am, 780.
Yes. 780 or 078 also you can say.
Ma'am, 9, 1, and 5.
519, 915. So many examples are there. Now coming to word problems of multiplication and division. Now see the question. Read the question. Who will read the question? Aisha? Aisha,
Madam,
Aga, just read the
cost
question.
of
What
a
is it?
Ma'am, the cost of a chair is $980. Find the cost of such 20,035
20,035 chairs. 2,000.
Into 2035.
What will we do, Abdullah?
Multiply 980 into 2035.
Yes. So when one chair cost $980, so many chairs will cost this number into 980. So you have to multiply. So what do we write in statement? Number of chairs is 2035. Cost of one chair is 980. When you multiply, we get this answer 1994300. So all of you just multiply. I have given you solution
Write
for this question. Yes, write down.
The question also.
Yes. So I have given you, but do it fast. I have given you solution for this question, but next question you have to solve on your own. And
Yes, okay.
no, I'm not skipping. And what you have to do, I don't want the answer, Abdullah. I just want direct answer. And I'll ask.
The 0 and 5, it is 5 stable, no?
194300.
0, 5s are 0. So all.
Ma'am,
zeros-
1994,300.
Yes, 1994300. So this is the answer. So if you have noted down, I'll give you the second question.
Ma'am, don't skip it. Wait.
No, I'm not skipping.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions. I am also writing it.
Okay, I'm giving you the next question. Those who have completed this, just do the next question.
Ma'am, disable annotation, please. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you didn't put carry forward.
It is there, na? Just.
Huh?
Ma'am, you skipped it.
Ma'am, you didn't put any carry.
See, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Then 1 0 will come at unit place. 8 into 5. No, I have not written it over here. You write when you are doing it. 8 5s are 40, 0, carry 4. I have not written it over here. Okay. But you do when you are writing it in your notebook. Okay. It is difficult to write over here. So I have not written it over here. But when you are multiplying, you write carry over.
In the side, can I put a cross?
Yes, you can put cross also. Okay, now second question is, a tire factory produces 6348 tires in a day. How many tires will the factory produce in 460 days? In one day, suppose you are eating 2 biscuits. In 10 days, if you are eating same
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
You have to solve.
29200080.
You have multiplied?
Yes.
Okay, let me check the answer. For rest of you, please do it.
29200080.
Multiply 6348 into 460 for the second question. Rashda, is it clear the question?
Ma'am, you made a mistake.
Where?
In the first question, you didn't put 3 zeros down. First you put 1, then 2, then you didn't put 3 zeros. Only 2 zeros.
No, that is correct, na? First you will put 1 0, then 2 zeros.
Ma'am, 8 5s are 8 is 40.
This is correct, Ibrahim. Solve it yourself. You will see that you will get the same answer. First you will put 1 0, then next you will put 2 0. This 0 has come because 8 5s are 40. So that is why 0 has come over here. Is it clear, Ibrahim?
Ma'am,
Mohammadi, please solve it in your notebook.
Ma'am, is the answer correct?
ma'am, I'm getting very confused. I'm not understanding.
Answer is 29200.
0080.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2920080.
Yes, this is the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
ma'am, instead of the 0, can you please put cross? I'm not understanding anything.
Why?
I'm getting confused from the 0 of 40 and the 0 of
You
cross.
don't copy this, Aisha. You do it on your own. Put a
Ma'am,
cross. Now I cannot edit because it is in a slideshow format. Now I have to change it and then I'll have to put cross. You can put a cross. You can put a 0. Put 1 cross over here and 2 crosses over here. Instead of these 2 zeros.
Ma'am, what about the top? All of them are 0 then.
Yes, all of these are zeros because when you multiply anything with 0 will be a 0.
Ma'am, there's no cross 0 over there.
No cross over here. Here you will have 1 cross and here you will have 2 crosses. Is it clear? Clear, Aisha?
Yes.
You can put a cross, you can put a 0. Yes, Yaya.
Ma'am, I have just done first question.
Second also you do?
Okay, ma'am.
Today I'll give you 5 questions. I'll upload on Google Classroom. Today surely I'll upload 5 questions of word problems. So
Division.
okay, so you have to
Ma'am, you
solve.
already gave homework.
Which homework? Just 3 questions was
Ma'am,
there.
in the textbook. Ma'am,
Everyone has done in the class only. All of you have done it in the class only.
Ma'am, of division.
Of multiplication and division, both word problems I'll give you in homework. Okay. So all of you have written the second question. You have to multiply 6348 into 460. Okay. Because see, whenever one thing is given and you have to find for number of things or number of days, you have to multiply. And when big number is given and you have to find it for one thing, you have to divide. Always remember that ways. Okay. Should I give you the next question?
Oh, ma'am, wait.
Just write down the question and multiply. You can multiply at home also, Aisha.
1 minute.
Anybody has done multiplication on your own? Don't copy multiplication from the slide. Please do it on your own. Okay, cost of, now I'm not giving answer. Cost of one flat is this much.
Ma'am, I didn't write the question of the second one.
Okay, do it
Then
from the
we will
recording,
divide,
Aisha. I'm
We
just
will
giving
divide
this
it.
question
So,
though.
ma'am,
To
can
do
you
it
please
on-
tell me the question? I'll write the answer by myself.
We will divide.
See, first do this question, then I'll go back to that question.
Then
The
we will
cost of
divide
a
or
flat
multiply.
is $421,800 if there are 36 similar flats in the building. This is one flat ka cost. How much money will be collected by selling all the flats? What will we do, Juveria? One flat cost is this much and you have to sell 36 flats in a
We
building.
will multiply
Yes, you will multiply, okay,
with 3.
Ma'am,
with 36.
ma'am, we want to multiply.
Yes, you will multiply 421,800 into 36. What is the answer? Okay, Aisha Aga, just check your previous question. Did you note down the previous question, Aisha Aga?
I wrote now, ma'am.
Written?
Ma'am, we have to multiply what?
This one?
Yes.
multiply this one, this and this, 36, because see, one flat cost is, suppose one apple
No,
cost,
I'm saying the before one.
there also you have to multiply.
I don't
No, I'm saying the before one. What was the question of multiplying? Like what numbers we have to multiply?
Ma'am,
Note down 6348 and 460.
Ma'am, wait.
1 minute.
I'm going to write this. Now wait here only. You always change.
See, some of you complete so fast and some of you are not doing it that fast. So that is why I have to
I'm done.
shift from one page to another.
Wait for me.
Okay. I should be now second question, third question.
No,
Those
I'm
who-
done. I'm done.
Done with the second question. I'm coming to the third question. I told you one flat cost is this and 36 flat you are selling. So what will be
Ma'am, can I tell the
cost?
answer?
Yes, Mohammed Saqib, what is the answer?
151848000.
151848000. Yes, correct answer.
I got the same answer.
You got the same answer, Rashta? Great. So that is the cost of 36 flats. Now all of you have written the question. I'm moving to the next question. Can I move to the next question, everyone?
Ma'am, write.
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
If you have written the question, you can do it on your own. Multiplication, all of you know how to do it. Hamza?
Ma'am, I'm also doing that. I cannot find that answer easily.
Which answer, Umaira? Multiplication you are not able to do? You
Yes, ma'am.
multiply with 6 first. See how they have done here. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 eights are, what is 6 eights are, Umaira?
1 minute, ma'am.
6 is a 48.
48, so 8 will come over here, 4 is carry, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 twos are 12, 1, 13, 3, carry 1, and 6 fours are 20, sorry, 24 plus 1, 25. Okay.
Ma'am, you did wrong. Ma'am, you did wrong in this question, ma'am.
Which question?
This question, ma'am, the third one. 3 8 is 25 and you put 4 here.
Where?
Here.
3 8, 8 threes are 24, na?
25, ma'am.
No? 8 threes are 24.
See, ma'am. 8
Ma'am,
8 3s are 25 and then 25 plus 3 is equal to 27.
3 are 24.
8 threes
Ma'am,
are
what-
24, Abdullah. 8 threes are 24. Or 3 8s are 24. Okay? 25 doesn't come in 8's table.
Ma'am, what is the things written with white color on the yellow box?
It's a website name.
What is the name, ma'am?
mathsonlymaths.com. Okay? You can solve extra questions from there. Okay, now moving to another question. This is a division question.
I didn't did. Ma'am, wait.
You didn't write the question, Umar?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down only the question. Do the solution part on your own. Then again, next class, I have to do more word problems because we did just 3 problems in this.
What is 6 8?
48.
48.
See, all of you please revise tables at least till 12. Everyone should know tables till 12. If you know till
Ma'am,
20,
I know
it is
tables till
excellent. But
Ma'am, I
minimum,
know.
you should know till 12. Okay?
I know.
You know it's good. You should learn till 20. Okay? So that your calculations are easier and you do it very fast, because till 10th and 12th we don't use calculators, right? So you need to be very fast in calculation. Okay, now This question I'll give you as homework. All of you just write down this question, do it as homework. I'll not send anything on Google Classroom now. Just solve this question as homework. 470,988 books are to be arranged equally in shelves. 378 books are arranged in each shelf. Each means one shelf, okay? So how many shelves will be needed? What are you going to do in this question?
Divide.
Yes, divide.
I don't know how to divide big numbers.
You don't know how to divide big numbers? See, how will you divide? I'll just show you. Same way you have to divide. I have taught you also. Just see how will we divide. Just check. 378 divided by 4, 7.
No, I know that, but I can't do so big tables. I only know table till 12.
It's okay. You don't need to remember this. Just check. 378 is there. 4, you will take this 3 number because you cannot take 47, right? Because it is smaller. So 378, so I'll take 470. Now 378 into 2. If you do 3 2s are 6. Here I have 4. So it will not go by 2. It will go by 1. Okay? Because 3 2s is 6. 6 cannot come over here. 6 becomes greater than 4. So it will go by 1. Yes, Juveria.
Ma'am, we can even multiply the two
You can
numbers.
multiply and check, but you have to see which number will go. So just check this number and this number. 3 2s are 6. 6 will be greater. So you have an idea that it will not go by 2. Okay. So it will go by 1. So you will write 378. Yes. Who is asking something?
Ma'am, I am telling that third one answer is $151,846,000.
Yes, Ibrahim, that is correct. Just write down this question. This is your homework. And everyone just try to solve this division and give me the answer. You can send the answer on Google Classroom also. This question specially, okay? All of you have written the question?
Ma'am, wait for 2 minutes. Wait, ma'am.
Mom, I still didn't understand.
You just have to divide, Aisha. See, 3 into 2 is how
So
many?
divide 470 and
Yes.
328 and you will get 112.
Ones are 378. What will you do next? You need to subtract, na?
Ma'am, both of
Yeah,
are
you
multiple
will
of
get
3.
112 then. If you
You will
subtract.
get
Ma'am.
112. What will happen? 112 is correct,
Ma'am.
everyone? What will come over here? 9 will come, correct, Aisha? 9 will come over here. Is it okay or not?
No, it is not.
Why? 9 is the next number. It will come over here, na?
It will become 4-digit.
Is it 1 over here? Just see, 10 minus 8 is 2. This is 6. So 16
Mom, you
minus...
can't subtract from 0, so you will take from 7.
Ah, so it becomes 6, na? See,
And then they will
16
get 1
minus 7 is 9,
and then,
correct?
and then 0 will become 10 and then
This is
10 minus
929.
8 is 2.
Yes, so this is 929 you are getting. 92 remainder and 9 will come from...
Ma'am, it is 112.
No, 112 is wrong. Just subtract 470 and 378.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this multiply or subtract?
You have to divide. You have to divide. I'm dividing over here. This
So
is your homework, huh?
Ma'am, the quotient would be the number of shelves.
Yes, the quotient will be the number of shells. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, solve this question. The time is over. All of you have written this question or not?
And ma'am, the remainder will be the number of books.
No, ma'am, just 2 minutes, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yes, please note down and solve
Ma'am,
it.
I got the answer.
Okay, we'll discuss it in the next class, Mohammed. In Saturday's class, just keep your answer ready, okay?
Sure.
And send it on Google Classroom also. You can send the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, in private comment,
Yes, you can hand in.
ma'am, first you need to put this question, then all this own
Okay.
assignment, then we can handle
Give
it.
me a private comment, okay? Upload it privately. You can do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the textbook, this page is also there. Can you solve this as homework? Only 2 questions are there. And upload this on Google Classroom.
And page number
47.
down. Ma'am, what's the page number?
47 practice questions. Okay, now can I?
All the 3 questions, ma'am.
Yes, 3
On
questions.
page number 47.
I think 2 questions, 3 questions are there. So if you are able to do, fine, we'll discuss in the class otherwise. But try to solve it on your own, okay? Everyone noted down the question?
No, ma'am.
If anyone has still not noted it, you can do it with the
Ma'am,
help of recording also.
ma'am, this is very big number, ma'am.
So just that is why I have given you as homework. I was telling you now how to solve it.
Ma'am, can you tell a trick to how to solve?
Yes, I was telling the trick only. You don't listen when I explain the trick. Again in the next class, just remind me, Ibrahim, the trick.
Ma'am, I understood the trick. I understood the trick, ma'am.
You understood now? You have to check the first
Yes.
numbers, okay? And
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. You could stop share.
okay, fine. Okay, now that was all.